Hey guys, welcome back. In this tutorial we're going to learn about inheritance, and what we're going to do is we're going to create a character, and then we're going to create three sub characters. These are all going to be characters, but there's going to be one main character. So let's do require once equals character.class.php, and let's just do that for the wolf, dragon, and human. So wolf, dragon, and human. And I'll just create a new file, do PHP class character. Okay, save that as character.class.php, and let's do one for human.class.php, one for dragon.class.php, and one for, what do we have, a wolf.class.php. So what good is inheritance? Let's see. In all our characters, if we were making a game, they'd all have hit points. So let's say protected HP. And again, protected means it can be accessed by this class or the classes that extend it. So let's extend those. Extends character. Okay. Whoops. And we're going to put those in all of our other subclasses. I'm going to reload these files because I'm going to move them. So what I would do to organize things, I'd say make a new folder called character, and you put the children of the character inside of there. So that just keeps it more organized. So I'll open character once again, and I'll open these three. And instead of this, I'll do character because it's a different directory. Okay. And I'm just going to refresh the page to make sure there's no error. Good. So in the character class, they have HP, protected, let's just say damage for damage points. What else can we do? Magic power, I guess. Protected, I'll just do I guess armor. Okay. And since all three of these guys are going to have this, we can extend the defaults to them. So let's say HP, the default is 100, the damage default is 10. I'm going to get rid of MP, and the armor default equals 10 unless we define otherwise. So off the bat, let's do character equals new dragon. This won't do anything yet, so let's set this up. Let's do public function construct. And what a construct does is when you create the object, it will load this whatever's in here right away. So if we did echo 1, as soon as we create the new dragon, it will output 1. See? We can also do, since this extends, we can get this HP, and that will get this from the character since it extends it. There we go. And what do we want to do? Let's see. Got a couple of this. How about let's make a construct for the character. Protected function construct. You might say, well, why are you making everything protected in the character? The reason is we don't want them to be able to create a character. It has to be a certain type of character. So you hit refresh, you get, hey, you can't do this, it's protected. And that's why this is protected, that we can only create the character from the child, and to do so you type parent construct. Well, this is only if the character has a construct, but and just do echo the character was created. Okay, and this parent construct will run the constructor of the parent, obviously. If there is no constructor, you don't have to call this because it will already inherit its properties. So let's do new dragon and refresh. The character was created. See that? If we want some basic actions like protected function attack, and we would actually, let's make this public because we want to be able to say character attack. Okay, we want to be able to use attack from this point. So echo we attacked for damage, and character attack undefined variable DMG, and that's because I forgot this damage. There we go. And I'm not exactly sure why I made all these classes, but it's just to show you a better example. So in the dragon we could say public function setup, and let's say this HP equals HP, this DMG equals DMG, and this, what was the other one, armor equals armor, and we're going to pass these into here. So HP, DMG, and armor. And when you create the dragon, let's give them some HP. Let's say 150, 10, and 20. Okay. So what we're doing here is we're overriding the default values in the character, and then if we have the damage, it'll be different. See, the default is damage for 10, and in the dragon the default, let's do 330. If we hit attack, that didn't work because we have to set it up. My mistake. You have to go character setup there. Whoops. There we go. We attacked for 330. I mean, you could also put this in the construct to make it even cleaner. And the setup will be right when you create the little dragon there. And pop this back over into the construct. And there you have it. Same thing. That's Inheritance, and it's pretty cool.